everybody, Melissa here. I got a package today. I got some of the Dipped in Sparkles Fall Drop. I started to open the package and I just thought the way it was packaged and what was in there was so cute. I figured why not just do an unboxing of it. So I ripped open the top and just kind of looked inside, and I haven't done anything else with it. So we're gonna do this together and I'm gonna swatch the colors. I'm really excited about the colors I got. I didn't get a ton, but I got what I could. So first we have everything in this little bubble wrap with this cute little, oops, knocking stuff over here. This cute little sticker, thank you, from Dipped in Sparkles, which is really, really cute. Open that up, and we've got this little one of the organza bags, of course. But inside, I've got the 4 colors I got. I got Almond Caramel, Speckled, Allium. This is not one of the fall drop colors. It's just something else I saw on the website that I thought was really cute, and I wanted to see what it was and what it looked like in person. Crushed Pumpkin, which that looks really cool, and Cider. So these colors right here, like just the pictures of them, this is my fall, like hardcore my fall aesthetic. I love warm colors so much. But the cool stuff is she gives you these little cupcake holders, which I thought is really great, because honestly, I've never used them before, and I've seen people use them a lot, and I've heard that they're great for spillage or for anything going over the side. So I think that's awesome. I'm definitely gonna use those. She gave me this 3-piece mani kit, so there's a little buffer and a file and an orange stick, which is super cute, and some candies. Sour Patch Kids. You can never go wrong with candy, right? All right. But I wanted everybody to see just how cute and thoughtful all that extra little stuff is, you know, just a little extra touch. That, and she has everything kind of, it has this plastic seal on it. It's a shrink wrapped thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull all those off right now, and then we'll go through each of these colors one by one, and I will swatch them. Okay, I'm gonna start with Cider. I think I saw a picture of Michelle, the owner, wearing this color. I think it was this color. And I was so excited knowing that it was coming to me because it looked so good. Okay, so it's this really great orange, burnt orange, kind of like reddish. I'm gonna use my double dip liquids for swatching. I would use my fast dry for swatching and keep my slow dry, sorry, for my nails. I've never used her products before, so I'm excited to try this. All right, there's one dip. That went on very smooth. Very impressed with that. And then brush it off here. Just do another. See how dark this gets with a few dips. It's like almost like a clay, like an orange clay color, which I think is great. Like a terracotta kind of. I'm only doing 3 dips just to kind of get a feel for how it will actually look on the nails, since I usually do 3 at least. I feel like once you get to 3, you get to a pretty true color of how any other continued dips are gonna look. But yeah, it's a really great orangey terracotta kind of super autumn color. amazing. I love it. Almond caramel. This is the one that really got me to want to get more. Like, I saw this and I knew I had to get it. So I'm excited to see how it looks in person. Oh, look how full that is. Like, it's almost as though someone took a knife and took a level. So I'm gonna use this. Haha, using the cupcake liner you gave me. These colors are gonna look so good together. Oh yeah. It's really good coverage for a single dip. There's so much glitter packed into this, so many different kinds of glitter. This is so cool. I'm gonna have fun with this one for sure. And soon. I feel like I need to use this soon. I'm like ready to jump into the fall colors, all of them. Oh, I love that. Okay, I'm just gonna do 2 dips of this, and then I'm actually gonna do a dip of clear over the top. Of course you can't see it because it's got the clear on it, but we're gonna let that clear settle and go on to the next one. Alright, next we got crushed pumpkin, which looks to be super kind of like metallic shimmery on the outside. I think this one is a chunky, or if I remember correctly. Oh, alright, I'm gonna shake her up. Make sure I get the chunky glitter well dispersed. Do this again. Alright. I don't really see a lot of glitter in there, but we'll see what happens after I dip. I love the shimmer in this. I want to dip with just that shimmer. All I'm really catching is the shimmer on this. You need to do some, but that's still so pretty. So I love the shimmer. I'm gonna stir this up a little bit and try and bring those chunkies up. Seriously, that shimmer is so pretty. It is a mess though. I should have brushed this off. Come to me, glitters. Oh, there they are. Okay, I see you. Now this works for me. It kind of gives the feel of a heavily populated glitter. You know, something with lots and lots of little glitters in it, but it's really just a super glittery pigment. Glittery shimmer pigment in the back that gives it that heavily populated glitter feel. But it makes it so much easier to work with. Like, chunky glitters are really, really, truly a labor of love. You have to be willing to do some work to wear chunky glitter. And this, I don't feel like would be too much work, so clear over that too. If somebody knows this dip well, let me know if it's supposed to have more glitter on it, if maybe I just need to play with it more. But I'm pretty sure that. This is gonna look really cool. Don't worry, this is my glitter clear. It's supposed to be contaminated. Well, I mean, not supposed to be, but it already is, so I'm not too worried about more. Okay, so I got that figured out. And let's go for this last one. She had this whole speckled line, and I'd seen it around, and I never got it. Oh, it's a foil and a glow too, apparently, which is really cool. I never tried them, and I was really curious, you know, what they were and how they worked. So, and I was intrigued by this one because it has almost kind of a stone look to it, and I mean, it's right up my alley as far as look goes. So excited about this one. I think I have another dip coming in soon that will look really good with it. As is typical with foil dips that are mixed in with powder, not a ton of foil generally picks up on the first dip. That's just the way it works. And actually for my second one, I'm going to use a regular dip base because I got shimmer all over the brush of that one, and I don't want to contaminate this swatch with it. I love this look though, it's really cool. It is like a speckled egg or something. And also, as expected, the foil kind of bleeds. We're gonna see what we can do about that for the second coat. I'm gonna do more floating and less dragging. I'm gonna go ahead and encapsulate this in clear just because with foil, especially darker foils, activator will definitely make the foils kind of run and smear. So I'm gonna float a layer on. If anybody doesn't know what that means, it means I'm taking a pretty good glob on my brush, and I'm gonna kind of like pull the liquid down and not drag the brush across the swatch. Try and float it down the swatch instead of dragging. So when you drag the brush across the foils, it pulls the pigment out of the foil and drags it down with the brush. So that coat, it didn't quite bleed as much. A little bit of bleeding in these is cool because it gives it kind of a stony look, but you don't want too much. Okay, this is super cool. It almost looks like just like ink splotches. I love that. Ooh, I love these together. Am I weird? Okay. I love those together. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and activate and top coat all of these so you can see the finished look. And I can give you a little bit of top coat point. Okay, and that's it. I must say, for my first order from Dipped in Sparkles, I'm very impressed. I surprisingly love the speckled dip. I may need to get some more. It's definitely a hit. I'm obsessed with the shimmer that's in this, the orange shimmer. So if I can hit her up and get her to make me just that orange shimmer by itself, I will do it. But if you have not checked out her shop before, I'll put a link below so you can take a look at some of the cool stuff she has and know that you're in for some treats, because she likes to give you little surprises. But thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you so much, all my subscribers. I am anticipating coming up on 1,000 subscribers, and I'm planning a giveaway, so look out for that in the future. But thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.